Good morning, everyone. Class, today we will proceed with this HTML programming again. I have given you the introduction about it. Now, class, today we are going to study about the creating and viewing an HTML document. Class, talking about HTML document, how to create. First of all, we have to open Notepad. You all know how to open the Notepad, first step. And after that, in a blank space, we need to write HTML document like this, as here it is written HTML, then head. This section I have told you two sections are there, head and the body section. This is head section and this is the body section that you have to write. After that, you have to at last enclose with the HTML only. This you have to see head is starting here and closed here, body is starting here, closed here. So this is one section and this is one section, so that we have to be aware about. After that, after writing this HTML document, then we'll have to proceed further. We have to save this file wherever you want to save. I suggest in desktop you save it, and after that it is easy to find that file if it is in desktop. So in starting you can do that. Later on you can make your own folder, but this time you click on desktop, and in desktop you have to enter here your HTML file name. Now HTML file name should end up with .html or .stm. stm is also the extension of HTML file. In shortcut we can write stm also, as in down it is written. You can see that. After that you have to save that file, and finally you will get your HTML document completed. Now after that, if you want to view your file, then what you are going to do? For viewing, you will open your Explorer, or directly you will click on your file which is saved on your desktop. This Explorer will get open, or you can open your Explorer, and in this Explorer, in this part you can write the address of your file. That is very difficult to learn the address, because in C drive, user, administrator, then desktop. So it is quite better you can click on your file on your you can say desktop. You will find your file, just double click on it, you will get the result. And after that, the thing is, if you want to make any change in this document, then you go to HTML file once again, and after that you do refresh here. Instead of opening that from desktop again, you refresh here, right click, refresh button, then you will, or you can click on F5 button also, then your new changes, whatever the changes you have made, it will appear here as a result. So class, I hope you all are understanding this. We have to learn some tags today. So first tag that I have decided for you is the HTML tag only. You all know about HTML tag. This from this we can start our HTML document, and we end up with this only. This is the you can say starting as well as ending tag of your whole HTML document, as you have seen in previous also. You can see in this also, starting with HTML and closing with HTML. Now next is your head tag. Head tag is used to define your title, or you can say it is the header of the document. You can define your title and style also. Style you are going to learn later in CSS, but this time you will learn only the title part. Later on we have, after a few topics, we have CSS. There you will learn about the style, how to apply style inside the head. Now class, moving further, next tag is a title tag. This tag is used to give title to your HTML page, Suppose file name is the different thing. File name is different, and the browser title is different. File name will appear here, and this web page title will be your title, whatever you will write inside the title tag. Now class, the last tag that we are going to study is the body tag. This body tag contain the content of your page. Suppose I want to write something about computer. Suppose I want to make a table. Suppose I want to create a form. Suppose I want to create insert the images. Whatever you will do, that you will do inside the body only. So that is the body tag. Now next, body tag have lot of attributes, and very important to learn these attributes. Now talking about inside the attribute, I have told you that is the property of the tag. So what are the property we can use? A link. Suppose you are creating a hyperlink, like in web pages you have seen blue line. So you can define the color also. Similarly, link, v-link, this we will study deeply about it. Now main thing is to study here is the background. If you want to insert a background image, then you will use this. If you want to give a background color, then you will use BG color. If you want to give a top margin to your web page, you will give top margin, left margin, left margin. And main thing here is the BG color to learn, text color to learn, and the background to learn. These are different topics you will learn later on also, but these are the main 3 topics for this particular class. That is this and this. Links you will learn later on also, and top margin, left margin I will make you do practically. That's all class.